Project Wellington. Today we're going to be doing a plenum cover, which is this area here. We're just going to put a cover over it like the engine does. So we're making up a surround to go around here, and then we're going to do that in carbon fibre, and that will go in this car and my ST. So I'll just show you what we've done so far. This is a spare plenum that I had, and we're just putting this around here so that when we put we're going to fill up all those holes or the slits, and then we mould over the top of that. But at the moment I'm just putting this around so I know where the casing is going to go up to. Gone around the whole plenum now, so this is where the cover's going to fit, carbon fibre. So because of these slits here, we're going to fill these up with moulding clay just to get a nice smooth finish, and then after we've done that we're going to begin to put the carbon fibre on. They may use fiberglass just to do the mould, and then put over something like carbon fibre on the original piece. But that's looking good now, so next job is to put the wax down the sides here, fill any holes in, and obviously fill out all of this grooves with the what they call it now. Ooh. Out that area with the clay, moulding clay. So that's our next job. Plenum now with the clay, and now I'm going to be putting some PVA agent over the top of there, and then some black gel coat, and then after that, once that's all hardened and left for a couple of days, then I can come back and start doing the mould with the resin. So first job then is to start painting on some of the PVA agent.